Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable touch sounds on Samsung devices. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch setting application on your Samsung device. Now once you are here, simply tap on the option of sounds and vibration. With that, you will be led to this page. Now simply scroll down below and tap on the option of System Sound/Vibration Control. Now once you are here, just at the top, you'll see the option of Touch Interactions. So if this toggle is turned on, this means that while you make certain touch or selections on your Samsung devices, there will be sounds produced. Now, simply turn off this toggle if you want to disable touch sounds on your Samsung. Now, after disabling this option, you won't be getting sounds while you make certain selections on your Samsung device. Now, at the bottom, you can see various options similar to the top options as well. Now, the options at the bottom are just related to vibration and that there won't be any sounds on your Samsung devices by turning on or turning off these toggles at the bottom. So, by following all these simple steps, you will be able to enable or disable touch sounds on your Samsung devices. Now, one thing you have to note down is that this step is only valid for Samsung devices, and in case if you have other Android devices, the steps will vary according to your Android device. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.